In this short video, I'm gonna be walking through how to whitelist an email or domain in Outlook. First of all, you have to go to your Outlook and now just from your Outlook, click on Home, and now here you have to click on this three dot and hover over on Junk, and then just click on Junk Email Options. So you have to open Junk Email Options in your Outlook. Once it's opened here, select Save Senders, and now email from addresses or domain names on your Save Senders list will never be treated as junk email. All you have to need, click on Add, and here enter an email address or internet domain name to be added to the list. So I'm typing here my dummy email address, for example. So all you have to need in this box, write the domain name or email address that you want to add into your whitelist. Then just click on OK, and here you can see the address successfully added. Once any address added, you can select the address. You can click on edit to edit the address. You can remove the address from your whitelist from here, and then just click on apply and click on OK. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.